Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a lead nurturing track and edit an existing lead nurturing track. Let's start by going to the Campaigns menu. You can either select Lead Nurturing Campaigns or click on Campaigns, where you see three tabs: Marketing Campaigns, Email Campaigns, Lead Nurturing Campaigns. Click on Lead Nurturing Campaigns. There's another video on lead nurturing that explains the content of this page in detail. So let's jump right in and edit an existing lead nurturing track. There are two types of steps in a lead nurturing campaign: email and callback. Let's take a look at each one. The lead nurturing campaign name was entered on the previous page. The first thing you're asked for is a step name. This will show up on the previous page for each step. The order is automatically assigned. Days after assignment is how many days after you add a contact to this lead nurturing campaign will this email go out. In this case it's 0, so it will go out the same day. Step type is not editable. You selected an email step. Details: this is an optional field, and it just provides you some additional information on what you're trying to accomplish with this. You have several choices in who this email is going to be coming from. It could be from one of the people that are assigned to this record. It could be from me, I'm logged in as Don Hall, or it could be from the person that is actually logged in and adding this contact to the lead nurturing track, which is the choice that I've selected in this case. You can carbon copy and blind carbon copy. I find the blind carbon copy is useful if I have only a few people that I have on lead nurturing. If I have hundreds, chances are I'm not going to want to receive all those emails. Next is the subject. This is what the recipient sees in their inbox. You have a choice of either HTML or plain text, and you can also insert merge fields. You have a variety of categories here. In this case, I'll select Contact. And you have a variety of fields to choose from. As you can see below, I have Contact First Name is a merge field, Company is a merge field, and Company is a merge field. You simply select where you want it to go in the email and click Insert. You can also insert a custom form. Custom forms are covered in another video. You can also attach a file by clicking Add. If you have a very large file, I recommend that you upload it to someplace like Dropbox and simply insert a link in your email. Anything over 100K tends to annoy people. I always recommend including your signature, and the user settings is where that information is taken from. Next, you can preview your message. One word of warning: when you're previewing, the merge fields are displayed as you see them here in the editor. Because there's nothing to merge it with, you will not see the name or the company or any of the other fields. Next, you can send yourself a test message. Again, the fields are not merged. If you would like to see what it looks like merged, we recommend that you add yourself as a contact in the database and send it to yourself. Click Submit and you're finished. So that's an email step. Let's take a look at a callback. Again, the lead nurturing campaign name is taken from the previous page. You'll be asked for a step name. The step order is assigned automatically. You need to tell the system how many days after the previous step you would like this to be executed. In this case, it's the day after the previous step. Step type is automatic from the selection on the previous page. The details are a reminder for you. You can have merge fields in the event name. So when this shows up on the calendar, it's going to be Don Hall from LeadMaster with my phone number. The event type is user definable. You get to decide what those event types are. Start time, you can specify an individual time for the day. I recommend all day. And the reason is because if it is on a specific time, to me, on my calendar, that's a firm appointment. If it's all day, it shows at the top. I know it's an action item, but I know it's not set for a specific time. Next is, whose calendar should this go on? In this case, it's going on the assigned account manager's calendar. Click Submit, and your callback is complete. To add additional email or callback steps, simply click on the menu. To create a new lead nurturing track, click Create a Lead Nurturing Track. Start by giving it a name. Next, you need to decide which users are going to have access to this. In this case, I've selected all users, and click Submit. You will not be able to specify whether the track is active or not until after a step is added. Then, simply add your email and callback steps as previously demonstrated, click Submit, and your campaign is ready. This concludes our video on lead nurturing.